Do you know what time it is?
Yes, this time is really special pizza because we bought pizza mix flour, which should be good because this is like an extra fine flour. We are making the pizzas in Omni oven, so they will be really special.
Shaped pizza, like a donut pizza.
And we have the ingredients for the pizza.
Our olive oil is frozen. We had to warm it up, so.
Yeah, so our van is like an old house. It traps in some places, and we store the olive oil in the back of the van.
Where's the coach? But
yeah, so it was frozen, and we had to reheat it so it's running again.
Yeah.
Really simple. You just add here some olive oil and mix it, and then you have a pizza dough done.
And
yes.
You can put your favorite toppings there.
And I have 3 different kind of meats and 2 kind of cheese.
And I have no meat and 1 kind of cheese.
Yes.
Hello, me.
Yes, let's dig into the dough.
Yay.
Half a deciliter of
Olive oil.
yet best oil in the world.
Greek oil. No, actually Spanish.
I don't know which country has the best olive oil. Somebody tells it's Italian, somebody tells it's Spanish, and somebody tells it's Greek. Maybe it's something between.
Oh, Africa.
Was it 2.2, I think?
Let's read the instructions.
Yes, 2.2. Really precise. Yeah. 220 milliliters of water. And usually, just when you put your hands to the dough, somebody calls. Let's see if that happens. You always think that doing the dough from the start is really hard. Even if you use only normal flour, it's really easy.
Hardest part is to making the dishes.
Yes. I'm making them already, so scraping everything from the sides.
Yes. The olive oil smells so good. It's super. Look all the good stuff that we have. All the options are available. And Jenny made me a dough because he's the greatest boyfriend ever. And yes, I'm a strong woman, so I can open my own jars. Let's put mixed base for this pizza. So tomato and pesto. So there will be double layer. And if you don't want to use it too much, then use the spoon this way. Nice coat. Yes.
Shrimps.
Tons of it, my favorite.
Try to put them on top of the dough.
Okay. Then mushrooms. Huge ones.
Too much.
Look.
I think that is too much stuff on top of the pizza because
I haven't even put the onion yet.
how you will get the pizza out of the Omni oven?
With the
Spoon.
I don't know. Yeah. Olives. Hinge of onion. And when this pizza is ready, then I'm going to put tons of fresh spinach on the top of it. So.
So we have a tiny problem. How do we get the pizza from there to here?
Yes. Maybe we cut it with the scissors and take bites.
Yes. There. Nice. Scissors helped.
What about spatula?
I think we can get them out like this. One piece at a time. Okay.
Looks delicious, but what about the verdict? Was it kind of...
Yeah, pain in the ass. I think making pizza on the pan is better.
Yeah,
than this.
maybe we ditch the Omnia pizza donut cooking.
Yes, let's make the rest of the pizzas on the pan.
This is really pet peeve to see somebody eat and have all these kind of gross sounds. Really good pizza. Can you hear me munching? After 1 hour, look, all these pile of trash and food left over. So this is the result cooking in a van. Great meals, but the whole van is exploded and then you have to do the cleaning. God bless this mess.
Ah.
What?